Hey crafty friends, welcome to another unboxing video. Today we will take a look at all the items from the Glimmering Hot Foil gift set from Spellbinders. I have wanted to add the hot foil machine to my crafting collection for a while, and this gift set helped seal the deal. I love adding foiled sentiments to my cards, and Spellbinders has a ton of hot plates for all occasions. Inside the box you will find all the products neatly packaged, all of the gift set items on top and the Glimmer machine at the bottom. The first item is the Curvy Everyday Sentiment set. There are 2 hot dies and 13 sentiments. Plus it comes with this wavy cutting die to make separating them easy. There's the Anemone Glimmer Blooms, which is a beautiful set. You could just glimmer the flowers onto the center of a card as is, or use the included cutting die to separate it from the paper. I also like that it came with the sentiment that says friend. We have the Glimmering Buttercups set. This set with the flower glimmer plate and matching stencil, so you can color in the flowers afterwards. Super awesome. There is a package of specialty clear film sheets. This package has 10 sheets and look and feel like a heat-resistant acetate sheet. A package of 10 Glimmer specialty cardstock in white is included. This paper has a very smooth feel to it, and you can tell it isn't ordinary cardstock. A package of 4 rolls of metallic glimmer foil, silver, gold, rose gold, and champagne. There's also a box of 4 pastel glimmer foil rolls, in pink, green, purple, and a salmon red color. That is everything that you get in the gift set that you won't otherwise get if you buy the Glimmer machine on its own. I love the variety of products, so I can easily start foiling right away. All that's left in the box now is the Glimmer machine. The contents of this box are included with every Glimmer machine purchase at Spellbinders. Inside, you will find 2 foil rolls in gold and rainbow, a magnet to pick up the hot plates, an instruction manual, the magnetic hot plate, and you have the 2 shims that you run through your die cutting machine. There's also a glimmer plate to get started with some flowers and a sentiment. It also includes a silicone mat so you can stick the hot plates on when you're finished. The last things in the box are the machine base and the cord to plug it in the wall. All of the contents are listed on the back of the box. With all these products, the box is a perfect start to hot foiling. If you like the Glimmer foil set and want one of your own, I'll have links in the description. Plus, I will link each item individually if you already have the Glimmer machine, but you want the rest of it. I hope you liked this gift set unboxing. Like and subscribe to see more crafty videos. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye!